Hello, I'm Michael L. Perry. Welcome to Fundamentals of Distributed Systems. I'm a software mathematician, meaning that I apply the rigor of mathematics to produce quality software for my clients at improving. A lot of that software has been in the form of distributed systems. The tools have evolved over the years, but the fundamentals remain the same. Synchronization, message passing, eventual consistency, conflict detection and mitigation. These are the issues that arise when data is persisted in two or more loosely integrated applications. But the software is just the beginning. Distributed systems evolve from cross-functional teams solving complex business problems. To be successful, you have to assemble those teams and align your IT strategy with your organization's business objectives. In this course, we'll navigate the complexities of building distributed systems to deliver business value. Some of the ideas that we'll explore include immutable databases, idempotent and commutative messages, Conway's Law, and sagas. And by the end of this course, you'll understand how to build autonomous technology teams that work together to construct reliable, consistent, and valuable distributed systems. We will evolve a distributed system throughout the course. To get the most out of the example, begin with some familiarity with C#, ASP.NET Core, and Entity Framework Core. From here, you'll want to dive even deeper into distributed architectures with courses on CQRS, event storming, and microservices. I hope you'll begin your journey toward building software at scale with me and Fundamentals of Distributed Systems at Pluralsight.